To earn your first $12 for free by watching YouTube Shorts, you will first want to go to youtube.com and then click on the Shorts tab. From there, you can find different videos to watch. Click on one of these specific videos that pay the most. Step number 2, once you're on that video, I want you to watch a minimum of 15 seconds of that video. Step number 3, boom, you make money. Now, here's exactly how much you can expect to earn if you watch one YouTube Shorts video. When you watch one YouTube Shorts video, you can earn $12. When you watch 10 YouTube Shorts videos, you can earn $120. And when you watch 50 YouTube Shorts videos, you can earn $620 in a day. And guess what? The cool part is you can repeat this as many times as you want to keep making money. This is a 100% free and legit method of making money watching videos, and it works worldwide. You could be in any country, and all you need is a mobile phone or a computer. And I'm even going to show you a few examples of videos you can watch to start earning right now. Hey, we're doing a cash giveaway on our channel. We're giving away up to $50 to 10 people. The choice is yours. Watch the full video, like and share the video, and click the giveaway link in the description below to join this giveaway. Hey, welcome back. And before we jump into the exact strategies, make sure to hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's see if we could get this video to 3,000 likes in the next 24 hours. So, let's go ahead and jump into the exact strategies to make $12 for every YouTube Shorts video you watch. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come on over to the Shorts shelf. How you're going to get here is you type in hashtag Shorts up here in YouTube. That's going to take you to the Shorts shelf, where there are now 673 million Shorts videos to choose from. But I'm going to show you a specific Shorts niche that is going to get you paid the most amount of money every time you watch. And I'm even going to show you how to get other people to watch it and start making money passively from that. So, what I did was I scrolled down for about 5 to 10 minutes, and I found a special niche that is extremely popular. If you type in on YouTube hashtag Shorts plus anime, that's going to bring you right here. There are 3.7 million people searching for this every single month. And if you scroll down, 2.4 million views, 2.4 million views, 9.6 million views, 756,000 views. So, some of these Shorts videos are getting millions upon millions of views. In fact, this one got 1.2 million views just 11 days ago. So, imagine if you were earning $12 for every single one of those 1.2 million views. That would be tons and tons of money straight to your bank account. So, I'm going to show you exactly how to get paid for all of the views that are going on to these Shorts videos. What we're going to do is we're going to come to one of these channels. Let's just go to this one since they got 11 million views on their video. It's called Anime Fangirl, 487,000 subscribers. So, they have a lot of subscribers. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to find the most popular Shorts video here. We're going to watch it real quick, and then we're going to share it with others. So, that every time someone clicks on that video and watches, we are going to get paid. And there's a special platform that allows you to do that. So, the very first thing we're going to do is click on Shorts, then Popular. And as you can see, some of these Shorts videos have 39 million views, 20 million views, 18 million. So, tens of millions of views on each one of these videos. We're just going to choose this one, Funny Anime Moment. Okay, and these appeal to a wide variety of people because they're funny and make people laugh. So, people are willing to watch them. What we're going to do is click on that. That's going to bring us right here. And then, as you can see, they have a kind of meme right here, a little saying. And what we're going to do is press this share button. So, when we press the share button, it's going to pull up this URL. We're going to take the URL, press copy. Okay, and then we're going to go to the site that's going to pay us for every single person that clicks on that URL or that share link to this video. So, what we're going to do is come on over to this site. As you can see, people are getting paid every single day, every hour of the day. Right here, this person got paid $5, $5, $9, PayPal, Airtem, Bitcoin, right. Tons of different payment methods and different amounts. Like this person got $21, this one got $52, $27, $11, $16. So, people are getting paid every single hour, every single minute of the day. So, they have 5,547 pages of people getting paid with this method. So, it's super secret. No one's talking about it. But people are getting paid if they know about it. The payout rates are per country, as you can see. If your country is on here, go ahead and comment that down below. Obviously, United States right here, you're going to earn $12 per view. Canada, $9. United Kingdom, $7. Germany, $7. And then the list goes on and on. It gets a little bit lower as we come to some of these countries. But you can still get paid. They have every single country here. All other countries get $3, which is pretty cool. So, what we're going to do is log into this site. This site is called exe.io. It basically allows you to shorten the link, share it, and earn money, track every link. The best URL shortener in the world. So, you get paid very easily. You create an account, you shorten your link that we're going to get from that video, and then you start earning money when people click on that link. Okay, very simple. We're going to go ahead and log in. We're going to go to our dashboard. As you can see, this is what it looks like. And the very first thing we're going to do is grab that link. We're going to press create link here, and then that's going to bring us here. We're going to paste the link, and then we're going to press create. And as you can see, it spit out a special exe link here, which is our money link. Okay, so we're going to copy that link. And now we have to share that link to get thousands of clicks, so that we can make thousands of dollars over time. Now, you're probably wondering, well, who would be interested in watching these anime videos? Well, there's huge collections and groups of people that love anime and anime memes. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to those communities and share that video. Okay, so the very first place we're going to go is this one right here called animeforums.net. This is one of the most popular anime forums, and they have different discussions, and you're able to post your links. You're able to post your funny videos. As you can see, there's forum games and memes. This is exactly where you're going to go. They have 17,000 posts and tens of thousands of people engaging in this particular thread of this forum. So, you're going to go in here. You're going to paste that link and say, hey, check out this funny video. It's one of the funniest anime memes ever to be uploaded on YouTube. And you're going to put your money link. And boom, tens of thousands of people are potentially going to click on that link. This is the first best place to come to. The next best place to go to is actually even better because more people are engaged. You're going to come on over here to Facebook. You're going to type in anime. Then you're going to click on groups. And as you can see, there's a specific anime meme group that has 93,000 guaranteed people in this group to see your link and click on it. So, we're going to go in here again. We're going to come in here. And as you can see, people are leaving their links, right? They're leaving their links to different posts and different videos. And what you're going to do is you're going to make a post in this group and say, hey, check out this funny meme video. One of the most popular ones on YouTube. And leave your share link. And when people click that, every time they click, you are going to earn money. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to join our Telegram channel so that you won't miss any new update. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we publish a new interesting video like this, you'll be notified as fast as possible. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.